So, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It is Monday morning. It is 8:15 and I've just arrived on campus. Got up at 6. For some reason was running really late because I got up even earlier today, but I was still running late. So yeah, I only left at like 7:30. Just got here. Surprisingly, traffic was literally fine. So weird. But we're here. I am not going to my 9 a.m. this morning again. I have an assignment due Wednesday and I need to finish it. So not going to my 9 a.m. because it's not relevant for my next assignment. I am going to my 11 till 1 and then I'm going to have to head home straight after that because in my mad rush this morning to get out of the house, could not find my purse anywhere, and because I've got a new phone, don't have all my cards set up on there yet, so have no money. I think I'm going to struggle not getting food, but I have no way to pay for it, so I can't. And Kaylin isn't even in today, so I can't even get her to buy it for me and then transfer her. But yeah, it's 8:15 now. I'm gonna go into Learning Hub and up to the 4th floor silent study. I'm not having the best morning because of that, but we're gonna turn it around now. I think I might watch the episode of Coronation Street this morning before I do any work, just to get myself in a good positive mood. So I'm gonna go and watch that, and then I'm gonna start on my assignment for the day. But yeah, so I'm gonna make it my mission to try and get, I'm literally just cutting down the word count now. That's all I'm doing. I have a few bits that I need to find references for left, but apart from that, just cutting down the word count. So hopefully I should be able to do that today, and I should be able to get it down to about 2,000. Currently on 2,900. Well, I say that I was on 2,900 yesterday and I got rid of like 200 words, so I have 700 to go, but I'm literally dying. These stairs, man. But there's obviously 10% word allowance, so I can go up to 2,200. So technically I only have to get rid of 500, but we will see how it goes. Oh my god, I'm only on 3rd floor and I'm already dying. But yeah, so wish me luck. That's the main task for today, cutting down the word count. It's gonna be fine, we've got this. So I have just finished a full hour and a half, near enough, upstairs studying. I started, I don't know how many words I had today, but I managed to get rid of like 300 or 400. I'm on 2,450 something now. I need to get it down to 2,000. I do have 10%, so 2,200. So 200 to 400 I have to get rid of now. But yeah, the day is going good. It's like really busy everywhere right now, so like I'm walking past people filming and having to pause because I feel bad. But I'm heading to my lecture now. I've just got my panini and I'm gonna go eat it. I found my purse. Don't think I told anyone, which is so good. Thank God for that. But yeah, lifespan development now. Wish me luck. I have just finished my lecture. It is 1 o'clock and Kaylin and Ella are on campus now, so I'm gonna go and sit with them in the engine shed, and they're doing their work on their assignment. Haven't seen Ella in about, I've seen her once this semester, so it'll be nice to see her, have a catch up, but also just do some work together because we haven't all done a little study session in a while. So I'm gonna go sit with them and do my assignment. I was going to just go straight home, just go and say hi, but then I thought I'm at home all day tomorrow anyway, so I may as well make the most of being on campus. I don't do that much at the minute, so yeah, I'm going to head to the engine shed now and hopefully finish my assignment. Yay. So it is, I want to sit, so like, this is awkward. It's 3 p.m. and, well, 3:10. I am just about to head home. Do I want to take that off? Yeah. So we've been sat in the engine shed for 2 hours. Don't know why that took me so long to work that out. Sat in the engine shed for 2 hours. I was doing my lifespan assignment. Kaylin was doing her mental health and ethics, and then Ella was doing the neuroscience, biological neuroscience module, and then Lexi was doing her history assignment. So we were doing all that work today. We were all super productive, like so proud of us. Had some mozzarella sticks before I left. I'm now gonna drive home, and I do need to go to the gym today because I have a run to do. I am running a half marathon in April, and I'm officially starting like the training from today. So gonna go and do that at the gym today because it's kind of like a tempo run. So I wanna do it on a treadmill just because it's a little bit easier. But yeah, I've been super productive. I still have quite a few words to cut out of my assignment, but I think I can definitely get more of that done this evening. I will be doing more this evening because I kind of don't want to have to do as much tomorrow. I kind of want to have a day finally where I don't have anything to do, because I haven't had one of them literally since before I started uni. Like, I've been so busy. I'm literally being blinded by the sun now. I've been so busy that I haven't even had a single day since I started third year just to myself, so I kind of want that for tomorrow. So I kind of want to do as much today as I can so that I can just then read it over finally Wednesday and submit it, so I don't have to come back to it tomorrow. But we will see. That's the hope. I'm going to drive home now and I will update you when I'm back. So I have just gotten home and I'm going to do some work on my assignment now. I am only going to do about 25 minutes, I think, because I need to go to the gym, need to eat dinner, and then I have like an online preparation session for a grad job that I'm applying for. So that's 7 till 9, so like I want to have a bit of a break still as well. So it's currently 4:30, so I'm going to work till 5-ish probably, and then go to the gym at 5, do my quick run. I only have to run 3k, so it shouldn't take me long. Then come home, read until dinner, do the online session, and yeah, so it's gonna be fine. I just need to do a little bit of work now, but yeah, so I'm gonna get started, and yeah, let's go. It is time to take off my makeup and go to the gym. I've done another 35 minutes-ish. I've cut down my benefit section to below 1,000 words now. It's like 911 or something like that. Really been focusing on it and I've managed to do it. So yeah, I'm going to take off my makeup, head to the gym, and then yeah, run my 3 miles. I look so awful and so red and sweaty and whatever, but I just went and did my run at the gym. I did 3k on the treadmill, which is all I had to do today. I started the runner half marathon plan and dinner is almost ready, so I'm about to go down and have that. And I have this online thing 7 till 9. I also need to do, I don't know if it's half an hour Pilates or an hour, I can't remember, but it's part of the runner training program and I put it on today stupidly. I could move it to tomorrow. I might move it to tomorrow depending on how I feel. And then I just want to read. I'm currently reading, let me get it, Daydream by Hannah Grace. I am 35 pages in and I'm reading every night, and I'll read like tomorrow in the morning and at night because I don't have to get up for uni. So yeah, that's my little update post run. Obviously looking not as good as I did before, however it's okay. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat now.